Hi guys, thanks for watching. I thought I'd put together a quick video this week just to let you know where we're at. It's been a bit of a slow week this week with various different reasons. My knee's been playing up, my back's been just terrible, so I can't just log away as usual as I would normally like to. And I've had to go to work and all that sort of boring stuff, so I just thought I'd catch you up with where we're at so far with the renovation of our Mercedes MBO-309. And if you stay to the end and you like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up, and by all means leave a comment and any suggestions. I'm like big on suggestions for how I can tease the old girl up without spending too much money for the next couple of years. Any suggestions on waterproofing options for the outside that are cheap, like that, you know, that sort of tape and stuff you can get. Any suggestions there would be great, because that's my next big job, is to take the tarp off and try and get her waterproof so that we can use her. And yeah, so subscribe if you really want to catch up with our latest and greatest videos. So I'm going to try and do one every week. I'd like to do more, but I'm not very good at this, so I'm not very efficient, and you will notice that I quite often forget to actually video stuff that I've done, so apologies for that. It's a learning curve for us, and yeah, so I hope you enjoy this little quick catch up vid. Alright, see ya. Okay, so I just deglued this little bit of metal paneling there, because it had all the it had this stuff on it. It had all this Laminex stuck down the panels. So I've taken the paneling off and removed the glue. Sorry, it's really weird. Over there. So now I've just got to prep the paint and I can coat it. Well, not prep the paint. Prep for painting. Okay. A lot slower than I thought it would. I'll be back.
Okay, not sure if you can see that, but just along the edge of the black seal there's a tiny bit of rust, so I'm just going to go rust treat the whole section before I prime it for painting.